First day of coding. 100th day of coding. Software engineer's dream seen by a software engineer. Software engineer's dream seen by an HR manager. 2 exclamation mark equal to 2. Programmers, no. Mathematicians, yes. You can't find a perfect programmer girl, because she sits all day at home doing programming just like you. App, QA, CEO, project manager, developer. 1/2, 0.5, 0.5. Divide by 2. Choose your fighter. A parrot, machine learning algorithm. Learns random phrases. Doesn't understand shit about what it learns. Occasionally speaks nonsense. Is a cute birdie parrot. This is how comments in code work. Long yellow things. Oh, so you're a computer scientist? Fix my printer. Junior programmer, how do I get enough sleep? Senior programmer, that's the neat part, you don't. People using Photoshop to create fake tweets. Programmers who can just use the browser's dev tools. Look what they need to mimic a fraction of our power. Hey, get back to work. Stack Overflow and GitHub is down. Oh, carry on. Programmer looking for a job. Unfairable programmer making over $120K a year because he can read the ancient hieroglyphics of the legacy code. Every conversation on LinkedIn. Recruiter describes in great detail all the responsibilities and qualifications they expect from you for the job, but refuses to give you any salary information about the role. Candidate does not respond. Recruiter. Did you know? In order to play the role of an insane and mentally depressed person in the movie Joker, Joaquin Phoenix became a full-stack developer for a month. Ben Awad, deleting dating apps because I want to meet someone the old-fashioned way. By making a pull request on their GitHub repo. I'm a sneaky fox. Sneaked in your house. Sat on your couch. Ate your pasta. Removed a semicolon. Try. Catch. This is fine. People, what debugging tool you use? Me, print. Before SQL. After SQL. Looking at programming memes. Actually coding. When part of your code doesn't work, so you replace it with something from the internet. If you can travel back in time, what will you do? Developers. Time zones creator. Beginner programmers. I am going to make the next Facebook and acquire Google. Advanced programmers. Anyone need a website? Developers when they get asked to go back to the office after the pandemic. Please accept this letter as my formal resignation from my position. My FBI agent seeing me Google how to center a dive. My FBI agent seeing me Google how to center a dive after 15 years. When you are spending more time in meetings, Excel and Jira and very less time doing coding. Oh God, I'm turning into manager. Reading documentation in 10 minutes and then doing the solution. Coding first and then debugging it for 10 hours. What most people think AI is like. What it actually is. Me, a beginner trying to get our programmer humor jokes. When you debug for 2 hours but realize you started the unedited build the whole time. Others, why do you always use ij variable in loops? Programmers, it's the law. Me, coding. Compiler, syntax error. Me, OMG okay, but you know what I mean though. Beginner programmers when they learn a new language. Well, that just sounds like Python with extra steps. Me trying to find the bug. Working code. The actual bug. Like and subscribe.